嗯。
下次我们看书再来了，让你我不去，赶紧把那台语练起来呀！
好可爱啊！直播在哪儿吗？直播阿里的直播在。
你没找到吗？哎呀，
好像忘了，好像没直播忘了放在哪儿了。
不是这儿吧？更多直播，找到今天的啊，今天27号了，这30号啦，对，下一个，对，对，就是这个，对，今天27号，对，那30号你们那一天直播 OK， 同时段家长了啊，
这是，
这是 SU 的，
真的。
然后你等我一下，我给你这说一下，我把它翻过去，我们之前都是这样。
这没有调暗一点啊？
他的这个手机我不咋地，也没咋地用过。太暗了吧？走，他们这都看不到你的桌面，你好歹让人家，你要介绍流程，好歹让人家看到你的流程吧。我给你整体往后挪吗？还是你往下掰？
往后挪。
挪到这儿吧。你人咋样？完了，让时间长了。那这样就行，不用手机。
然后突然崩溃了。
啊？没有流量圈，最近都没有什么流量圈。
这咋看？这也没人。
这不用看，这基本上没有人。这个 YouTube 也是基本上都没有人的，人在这儿，然后会在这儿点赞。一会儿我去点个赞吧。
没事。有人在家啊，没事。
那你等我走了啊。
好，谢谢啊。
没事儿，你看他要是还有多少天呀？
立即出事，我们没有网络吗？
还有66%应该足够。
我们的网络是哪个？今天掉线。
瑞安雨杰，对。
密码是吧？我今天。
瑞安雨杰0379。RYYG 0379。这个味道挺香的。
他们没有啥什么牛羊肉禁忌吗？猪肉。哇，内脏好像就是全世界除了中国。重点放在整体。就是等我一直是等着等我。你不看是不是在等你？我都听了啥的。啊，就这样的感觉是。我敲完了。我靠，感谢。开始吧。开始是啥呀？我都读过半天了，我在那读着。是不是啥呀？
来，是不是题？先题。
嘎啦黑豆
如果你适合那你要一是肯德基的话，你可以直接说这个单词。你要到肯德基就直接说福利。
不是从晚上我超都没扔。Bling bling bling bling. Hello, welcome. Welcome to Long Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. This is Long Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing. This is Sam. Okay, look at this one. This one is the cross roller bearings. Cross roller bearing is full of this one like this. It's not bore. It's cylindrical. Cylindrical. It's full of it's full of the cylindrical bearings. So this one is cross roller bearings. Its other name is cylindrical crossover bearings. It's two-part inner ring altering. According to your work conditions, which one to rotation, which one. Okay, this is a cross roller. Cross roller has too many series: RA, RB, CRBH, RU, XU, XXU, and RU, and so on. This one is R. This one is RA. This one is RA. RA is B if different. RB is the thickness of the ring. The thickness of the ring. This kind of the bearings is full of the cylindrical. This one is cylindrical. It's not like a bore. It's not like the bore. It is cylindrical. This is the crossover bearings, and it's widely used in rotation places, like the robot. Okay, that's the security things. This is a cross roller bearing. You can see it is cross roller bearing. Okay, this is RU. This is RU cross bearing. RU cross bearing is different from this one. Has two hole, easy to installation, and the inner ring, outer ring.
之前我们学的还是打一些路面，是吧？打一些路面。
And some mountain hole.
你需要开出，就是说，给我一份大的薯条，然后再给我一片面。你把它放进去。这个蔬菜就是说生的番茄。这个是粒，这个比较多。好吧，我觉得已经，有些有。听着很像。
记得我们以前学的是那些拎的 mother。
刚才只是几个。那第三个单词就是白菜。乌跟乌嘛，乌嘛。它跟阿是啥吗？这个单词应该要好。还有接下来这个叫黄瓜的阿布列。应该算那个烧黄瓜。
那个课没念音吗？
这个。
这个音吗？
这个夫跟乌是姑嘛？它连在一起的是一个姑的音。阿布列。一个玩意儿。阿布列。
这个是阿布列，这个是阿布列，黄瓜。后面不是念起。
这个念起，这个念起。
然后超不一样嘛。阿布列，这个吗？哦，这个，那我说错了。最后都是读这个。
最后就是一个这个大葱，小葱没有形。
一点的。
咱们那个。我们一般没怎么分过大葱，一般就是。 好，简单有一点。啊，天。
Welcome. Welcome to our bearing manufacturing. This is Loyang Ifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is Loyang Ifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Cross roller bearing and YRT rotary table bearings and harmonic reducer bearings and nesting bearings we supply. So, have you heard me? Can you hear me? Excuse me? Is everybody here? Is anybody here? Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Luang Ifan Precision Manufacturing. Battery manufacturing company. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
那你不能就站干看着，因为他们
说不定哪个老板什么的后台他能看到。
我刚刚说话了，我会偶尔说话，看不能干看。
谁分不了视频了？
Welcome to our live stream. This is Loyal Event Precision Berry Manufacturing. We also supply the two kinds of bearings to this is cross roller bearing, cylindrical. This is cylindrical. Not bore. This is cross roller bearing. It has series. There's the RA, RB, CRBH, RU, XU, XSU, and so on. So, according to your condition, you can choose the one that you need. The second is YRT.
阿里有券没？没有吧？
没有啦，
没有。
不用去。Today, this one is this YRT rotary table bearings. Compared with the cross roller, he has more use of the field. It works in the 5-axis and 5-axis and 6-axis machine tool and machine center and hobby machine and milling head and something need more precision measurement and labor devices. We used this one. We used the YRT taper bearings. It has the more rotational, that's like the center, that's a machine center, and they also need the rotation. They also need the heavy load. So compare the crossover bearing, he has the more heavy load and more rotational chance motorial chance you choose. And according to everyone's requirement, maybe you can use the non-standard. You can use the non-standard bearings. If you have this requirement, you can leave the message and email on screen. I will send my catalogs, and I will and to make the non-standard design drawing to share with you. Okay, this is Loyal If and Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is Sam. If you have the requirement, about the bearings. So leave the message. Leave message. And there are many series of the bearings according to your requirement to choose the bearings. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome to our bearings. Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Loyal Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. So, can you hear me? And if you interested in the bearings, leave the message on the screen. I will share my catalogs to you. I will share my catalogs to you. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Loyal Event, the precision bearing manufacturing companies. So we supply the cylindrical roller bearings and the cross roller bearings. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, to put someone to say something interesting, and say something you need. Hello, hello. This is Loyal Ifan, the precision bearing manufacturing companies. This is we manufacture bearings, crossover bearings, harmonic bearings, harmonic reduced bearing, and YRT rotary table bearings, and so on. The first one you can see the seat is YRD, and this one is rotary table, rotary table. Where it's props roller bearings, props roller bearings. Okay, if you have more interesting, if you have more interesting about the bearings in bearings manufacturing, and leave the message on screen, and we will send we will send my catalogs. If you have the email, please send again. Leave the email. We can to talk each other and meet your requirement. Hello, welcome our live stream. Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is lawyer If and Barry this is lawyer If and Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is Sam. If you have something about the bearings, also leave the message on the screen. We will send my catalog to you. We will send my catalogs to you. If you have the requirement, please leave message on the screen. Luan Event Precision Manufacturing local the energy industry, Luan City, Contemporary China. Um, we manufacture the pros roller bearings, YRT rotary tapered bearings, harmonic reduce bearings, and nested bearings. According to your work conditions, you can choose the standard pieces or non-standard pieces you need. If you have requirement, leave the message on screen. Welcome to our live stream. This is Royal Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, if you have the requirement about the bearings, if you have requirement about working living production, matching, pulley, pulley. Okay, welcome to our live stream. Welcome to our live stream. If you have the requirement, you can choose. You can leave the message on screen. Leave the message on screen. Welcome. Welcome. Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Long Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is Sam. Okay, let's introduce our company. Our company is mainly manufacture the YRT rotary table bearings, crossover bearings, harmonic reduced bearings, and non-standard bearings. So, according to your work condition, you can choose the, the bearings you need. Our companies was located in the Jiangxi Industry Park, Wuhan City, Henan Province, China. So we have a long years to manufacture to do the machinery parts and bearings. I mean, bearings. This is two kind of bearings you use for the rotation, rotation jump, like a robot. The rotation things you the things the work conditions. They use you can choose the bearings. The bearings are very used in our life. In our life, the table, the table, the chair, and the screen, and so on. In industries, is used machinery parts, machine center, and the machine two with the five or six axis. It required more requirement. So if you want to know if you if you want the more rotational the things, uh, you can choose the YRT. You can choose the YRT. YRT needs the more rotational and the more heavy load than cross roller bearings. So this kind of bearings. So the first is you can do the rotation. And the next is you can this one to use. Also, you can this one to use. Uh, axial axial to use and radial to use according to your work condition. Different work condition is different. If your work condition are the axial, you can choose the you can choose this one. You can choose the cross roller bearings is used. If you have more the heavy load, you can use you can use the this one um, YRT rotative bearings. Mm. So according to your work condition, to use the to use your bearings. Bearings, they use the things, use the places where you put it, you put it on. So if you have the more precision, rigidity, and have load, you can choose the YRT. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Loyang Event Procedure Manufacturing Companies. We manufacture the two kind of bearings. One is harmonic, two is this one.
要 PDF 的还是要啥
？GPT 2最好是全部。我 PDF 图片也行。
Welcome to the living stream. This is Royal Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing.
这个现在是55万，这个后头加一个零，这个弄成550万。你好，那个加拿大高带配弄完了没有？今天这还是特别多的项目。
他这样写。
哎，我拿这个。哎，你了吗？不是刚才萌萌说他有个客户，是不是在管理？我看一眼啊，啥的让他着急。哦，发了好几张，不是跟你了吧？刚才不是说你有个给你的那种？
不得发你。
今天的粮食今天，是不是给你忘了？在这个了。对。那今天最少转了好几克。转给你了啊。我也看完不是大的也是大的。还有要改的呀？你咋看看是多少呢？
还改啥？
下次英文也得改。
英文发了。
对。加微信。 对，今天不是有一个 SU 的俄罗斯不锈钢炸鸡？对。我知道了，这不是从 APP 端来的。这个链接我前2天刚读。
Okay, welcome. Have a live stream.
他喜欢你的？35吗？我刚说为放那个啥呀？不会把那个出去放吗？那一样一样。2235。一样吗？哎，好像一样的，343点，这是不是好像一样的？就一样。是啥时候？对。喂。哎，这个图纸是。这你啥时候的图纸啊？这个重量是按实际那样弄出来的呀，就是这个是就是也是在咱这边过磅的时候。怎么能这么巧呢？出来了，正在赶着嘞，正在这赶这个业务。好，那我再来改一下。就那个箱单上显示重量，我把箱单重量再改一下就行了。那一定上只有一些编码数量，还有发票号。好，我现在改箱单，我给这个英文写出来上面。好。
Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Royal Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. We mainly we manufacture the bearings for several years. We manage to manufacture the two kinds of bearings. One is the cylindrical rotary bearings. Cylindrical. This is a cylindrical roller bearings. Cylindrical. This one is cylindrical. Cylindrical roller bearings. This one is cylindrical. This one is cylindrical. Another one is the bore. The bore. So it's a difference. It's a difference. One is the cylindrical, other is bore. So we use the cylindrical because the more speed. So, according to your work conditions, you can to do the things to use kind of bearings. So, if you have the more rotation, like the arms, remote, you can choose the cylindrical and the YRT. Okay. If you have the more heavy load, and uh, heavy load and and heavy load, mm, you can choose the YRT. YRT use the more rotary table rotational like the 5 axis, 6 axis machine 2, and machine center. But if you have more requirement, you can choose the less standard bearings. Um, uh, bearings is bearings according to your. I told you is I told you. So if you have something more paying attention to or interested in, you can leave the message on the screen, and then we'll send my catalogs and send my email to each other.那就下着的心安安详，星空。
如果你看完大幅度的改动，你跟我说一声。我连看我自己的电脑都要妈呀！ 啊，那就是这种前后有2个零是吧？
Welcome to our live stream. Long event precision bearing manufacturing. Precision bearing manufacturer. We also supply the nested bearings for our customers. So if you have the requirement about the bearings, you can leave the message on the screen. Oh, welcome. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome.